Hello and welcome everyone, CarMAN back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a common issue that you might have on your older Mercedes models. So over the years the top coating starts to deteriorate and it leaves this sticky, unpleasant looking button. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys a cheap and inexpensive way to clean these up without replacing the part. Only two things you're going to be needing is some of this bug and tar remover and also a microfiber cloth. So the process is quite simple. I'm going to spray a little bit of the solution over the buttons and get it evenly around the front and the sides. Once it's on, I'm going to get the microfiber cloth and start scrubbing. And to make this job a little bit easier, just hold the steering wheel with your other hand, because every time you're going to be scrubbing, the steering wheel is going to move a little bit. So keep it in place and keep scrubbing. And as you guys can see, only after the first round, it's already starting to look much better. But I'm going to do this a few times. Again, just squirt a little, spread it around, and then start scrubbing. I'm going to keep doing this until I can bring that stock look back. Here's the left side of my steering wheel buttons that I haven't touched yet. And if we look at the right side that I've been cleaning up for the past few minutes, it's already starting to look a lot better. I'm going to scrub it a few more times and I'm going to do the same on the left side. But this is how quick and easy it is to get rid of that sticky issue that you can have on your buttons and other panels in your Mercedes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and share. And if you guys have any other technique that you guys use to clean your steering wheel buttons, please leave them down below, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.